Hello children, welcome back. Let us start today's video. Class 3, Subject Reasoning, Chapter 22, Number Series, and this is our lecture number 2. Children, in previous week we started chapter number 22, that was Number Series, and today this is our lecture number 2. One lecture we had done, and in first lecture we discussed about missing wrong number series. Okay, so let us see what is our today's video subtopic. Subtitle is missing number series. Okay children, so in this one you have to find out the missing number from the given series. Let us see what is missing number series. In missing number series, missing number is to be found from the given series on the basis of pattern or rule followed in the series. A missing number series, as the name suggests, you have to find out the the number which is missed from the series. One dash will be given in the series, and the number which is not in the series, that would be written over there. And which rule you have to take? You have to simply take the pattern or the rule which is completely followed in the given series continuously. जो सीरीज में पहले से ही फॉलो करता हुआ जो रूल आ रहा है उसी को आपने फॉलो करना है, उसी पैटर्न को आपने फॉलो करना है, और उसी पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए जो नंबर उसमें मिस है, you have to find them out. So let us take example. Example will clear your definition as well as the concept. Find the missing number. Yeah children, this is the series 5, 6, 13, 40. In the missing number series or in the wrong number series, even I can say in the number series. Whenever you are doing number series, initially the step which you have to take, that is, you have to find out the relation between two numbers and then carry on. Is the same relation is carrying in the additional number? Is this following in the next number also? If yes, so by following the same pattern, by following the same rule, next number would be written over there. Okay, I simply mean to say, जो आपको रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करना है, जो रिलेशन इन दोनों के बीच में होगा, रिलेशन मीन्स इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन है या क्या पैटर्न या रूल फॉलो हो रहा है. इफ यू हैव फाउंड, देन लेट सी इज इट फॉलोइंग in the next two numbers. If yes, so you have to continue it here. If it is also same, then what you have to do, follow the same rule or same pattern for finding them out the next number. Let us see. पहले हम इन दोनों में रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करेंगे. 5 and 6. It can be said कि ये 5 से नेक्स्ट नंबर, जैसे हम सिंपल काउंटिंग करते हैं, it can be said that it is simple counting. Okay, but here it is not simple counting. There must be 7 in that case, but यहाँ 7 नहीं है, 13 है, so it is something different. Let us see what may be relation between this one and this one. What should be? Yes, it is the multiplication by 1 plus 1. 5 multiply by 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then relation between both these numbers. 6 ones are 6. And what should be add? If you will add 1, so it would be 7. No. Then multiply it. 6 twos are. बेटे you have to think out of the box. आपको थोड़ा बॉक्स से बाहर निकल कर सोचना. मीन्स बॉक्स का मतलब you can't take कि आप किसी बॉक्स के अंदर बैठे फिर आपको उससे बाहर निकलना. नो, आई सिंपली मीन टू से आपको एक लॉजिक से दूसरे लॉजिक पे स्विच करना है कि अगर ये नहीं है तो ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है, इसमें ये भी तो हो सकता है, ऐसा नहीं तो वैसा भी तो हो सकता है. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द वेरियस लॉजिक्स. ओके, आपको मल्टीपल लॉजिक्स को स्विच करना होगा. एनीवन कैन बी फिट इन द सीरीज. सीरीज में आपको ऐसा ही होता है कि बेटा कोई भी लॉजिक आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो, बट देयर मस्ट बी सम लॉजिक. ऐसा ही नहीं इलॉजिकल आप कोई बात नहीं बोल सकते. दिस इज रीजनिंग एंड रीजनिंग बेस इज लॉजिक. So 6 multiply by 2. Yes, we are a little bit near. 6 2s are 12 and 12 में अगर आप 1 add करोगे then it would be 13. So 6 multiply by 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Now let's find out the relation between this and this number. Yeah, in this one, बेटा let us see. यहाँ पे 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करके 1 ऐड करते हैं, फिर यहाँ 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके 1 ऐड करते हैं. What should be there? हम यहाँ पर क्या कर सकते हैं? Multiply by 3 and 1 add. Okay. So 13 2s are multiply by 3 because this is multiply by 1, multiply by 2, multiply by 3. 13 3s are 39, 39 and 1 40. Now here you have got easily कि आपको पता चल गया कि आप क्या पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहे हो, क्या आप रूल फॉलो कर रहे हो. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 प्लस 1, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 प्लस 1, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 प्लस 1. So there must be multiply by 4 plus 1. This one and this one, what should be? Multiply by 4 plus 1. Exactly correct. 44s are, this is very easy. You can do oral multiplication as I always emphasize. 0 would be 0 and 4s are 16. So answer is 160. 160 plus 1. 161. So correct answer will be 161. Not 5, not 6. Sorry, this is the answer of this one. This is the answer of this one. This is the answer of this one. And this is the answer of this one. बेटे here we started from the number 5. So आप यहाँ पर first of all 5 write करोगे. उसके बाद जो next number आया वो उसका आंसर यहाँ पर इन दोनों की जो आपके कैलकुलेशन से जो भी आंसर आया that is this one. और इनकी कैलकुलेशन से जो आंसर आया था वो ये है और इनकी कैलकुलेशन से जो आंसर आया है वो ये वाला आंसर है. आपने 5 से सीरीज को स्टार्ट किया, सो 5 आप पर यहाँ पर लिखोगे. ओके, सो नाउ हियर आई एम डन. नाउ लेट अस टेक होमवर्क. आंसर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड. Okay children, and your homework is find the missing number and the questions are here. Question number 1, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Question number 2, or you can say B, 95, 115, 115, 135, 155, 175, 13, 17, 21, 25, 29. 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. 1, 3, 7, 15, 31. In this series, you have to find out the next number or the missing number you can say. इस series में यहाँ पर जो miss number होगा वो आपको find out करना है. Okay children? Okay children, now let us discuss the homework solution of previous lecture. In the previous lecture, your homework was find the wrong number in the given series. In that you had to find out the wrong number from the given series. Given series में से आपको wrong number find out करना है जो wrongly वहाँ पर placed होगा. Let's see the question. Here is the series 14, 16, 20, 25 and 34. So in this series you have to find out the wrong number. Let's see the solution. In between the 14 and 16 there are the gap of 2 numbers, 15, 16, 2 numbers gap. 16 to 20 there is the gap of 4 numbers. So this is the multiple of 2, or you can say this is the table of 2. 2 की टेबल में सबसे पहले 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. Okay. So here is 4, so next should be 6. But there is 25 given, as because the 6 number of difference gave us 26. It should be 26 over there, but 25 is given. Let's see the next series. Next number 26 plus 8 is equal to 34. So this is correct. In this series 14, 16, 20, 34 are correct number, but the number which is wrongly placed is 25. It should be 26 for making it correct, but 25 is given. Next is, let me erase that. Yes, the next series is 1, 4, 5, 16 and 25. So these numbers are in increasing order. It means this is multiplication or addition. Backward या फिर subtraction ये नहीं हो सकता है. So let's check it out the addition first of all, or it can be multiplication too. So let's see the solution. Yeah, 1 is 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. It means we are regularly doing multiplication. Means first of all 1 की 1 के साथ, 2 की 2 के साथ, then next is 3 की 3 के साथ. So 3 3s are 9, but it is given here 5. It should be 9 over there. Next is 4 4s are 16, and next is 5 5s are 25. So except 9, except 5, all these numbers are placed correctly. 1, 4, 16 and 25, these all numbers are correct. Only 5 is wrongly placed here. So we can say that the 5 is the wrong number in this given series. Got it, children? Now let's see the next question. This is the series 12, 17, 21, 27 and 32. Now let's find out the wrong number from the given series. The gap between 12 and 17, as you can notice that the all numbers are in increasing order. It means it could be multiplication or it could be addition here. So let us check the addition first of all. 12 and 17, the gap between both these numbers 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So the gap is of 5 numbers. Then 17 to 21, there is the gap of 4 numbers. Then 21 to 27. Children, there are the numbers which are having gap of 5 numbers. Okay, there is 5 number gap, so it should be 5 number gap. So if you will take the gap of 5 numbers, the number should be 22 instead of 21. Then 22 plus 5 is equal to 27. So इनके बीच में भी 5 numbers का gap है. Then 27 and 32 के बीच में भी 5 numbers का gap है. If you are not able to get to know the gap in second number, so you can catch it from the last also. आप पीछे भी चेक कर सकते हैं. अगर यहाँ पर 5 है, यहाँ पे भी 5 है और यहाँ पर भी 5 है, तो आपको इजीली कनेक्ट हो सकता है कि दिस नंबर इज रॉन्ग. सो द रॉन्ग नंबर इन दिस सीरीज इज 21. नेक्स्ट इज 19, 16, 13, 9 and 7. All these numbers are in decreasing order. Decreasing order, it means there is subtraction or reverse counting. Okay, so there is, let's check the subtraction first. 19 and 16, there is reverse counting, or you can say the subtraction. So 19 and 16 के बीच में कितने numbers का gap हो reverse करके? 18, 17, 16. It means 3 numbers का gap. Or you can minus 19. You can do 19 minus 3 is equal to 16. It means minus 3. 16 and 13, there is also minus 3. 13 minus 3 is equal to 9. Is it? It should be minus 3. So it should be here 10. But as it is minus 4. 10 minus 3. So there is the gap of 3 numbers in reverse. So this is minus 3, this is minus 3, this is, it's given here minus 4, and this is minus 3. So the wrong number is 9. That should be 10, but given in this series as 9. Next is series is 210, 310, 410, 550, 610. So this series is very easy. It's looking easy. So देखने से आपको पता चल रहा है in each two numbers there is the gap of 100. So 210 to 310, there is the gap of 100. 310 to 410, again the gap of 100. 410 में अगर आप 100 का गैप लेते हैं, so it should be here the number 510 at the place of 550. But as there is the given gap of 140, that is wrong. 140 का गैप दिया हुआ तो ये wrong है. And if the number is 510, then the gap of 100 and the number would be 610. अगर आप करेक्ट नंबर लिखते हैं यहाँ पे 510 और उसमें 100 नंबर्स का गैप करते हैं, सो आपका नंबर होता है 610. दैट इज करेक्ट. सो इन दिस सीरीज द रॉन्ग नंबर विच इज गिवन दैट इज 550. It should be 510 for making it correct. So the wrong number is 550. So with that, the video is finished. This lecture is done. Now let's meet in the next video. I hope you have got the lecture. Still, if you have any confusion, you can ask to me in the online classes as well. So let's meet in the next video, in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Take care.